swear to God, I'ma sue you. I'ma sue you. Losing your job. Losing your job. Right. Losing your job. Losing your job. You wanna smash my head on the ground?
On December 9th at 4:55 a.m., an Ohio officer wrapped up a routine traffic stop only to discover an intoxicated driver had run out of gas directly behind his patrol car.
Morning. Are you doing okay? Now, if we tow it, it's going to be to your expense, okay?
How much?
I don't know how much. Your car won't start? You need a tow? They charge. How much have you had to drink today? That whole bottle drink or what kind of drink?
No, one drink. Literally nothing.
Okay.
Put up to my sister's house. Put up here. That's all I got. What I'm saying is I just need somebody to follow me.
Well, right now I have reason to believe that you may be impaired.
I'm out of gas. That's all I am. I'm out of gas. I'm not impaired.
Okay, give me a minute. 115, can you send another my location? Not on a hurry up. Okay. She stops here as I'm up there. I'm kind of suspicious. I pull somebody over for driving with their lights off. Gave him a warning. Everything checks out. Okay. I drive back. Her car's not on. She ran out of gas. And I can smell alcohol coming out of her, so probably going to be another.
Go ahead and step out of the car for me, ma'am.
You can step out?
Yes, ma'am.
Do I have a search warrant?
Don't need a search warrant. You can step out. No, I do not. I do not need a search warrant to have you step out of the car.
Okay.
Supreme Court case, Pennsylvania v. Mims says that I can get anyone out of the car for any reason. Pennsylvania v. Mims, I can get you out of the car for.
I'm in Dayton.
Right now, we're getting you out of the car.
You're not in Pennsylvania. You're in Dayton.
Doesn't matter. It's Supreme
You're
Court.
in Dayton. It's not.
Ma'am, you either get out of the car, or I'm going to make you get out of the car.
I'm going to get out of the car.
Get out of the car.
I will, but you're not in jurisdiction. Tell me to get out of the car. I will get out of the car, but you're not in
Okay, step
jurisdiction.
out of the car.
So
I'm glad that you're.
I'm willing to point over because I need some help. That's why I'm pulling over.
Car.
So I want you to, before I get out of the car, but I want you to know, in jurisdiction, you're not capable of telling me to step out of this car. That's why I'm asking for y'all to pull over and help. But what I'm saying is your jurisdiction, you don't got me to pull me over. No. Why are you touching me, bro?
You're on the highway. I'm not doing this right.
Why are you touching me, bro? Because I pulled over, bro? Because I asked for help? He's asked me, he's detaining me because I asked for help. He's detaining me because I asked for help. Drugs, no warrant, no none of that.
I'm going to be putting you in handcuffs.
Yeah, that's fine. So when you ask, y'all going to jail. That's fine. I just asked for help on the side of the road, and y'all detaining me. I'm a respect for y'all.
Turn around, please.
I'm respect this whole time, bro. I've never fought nobody. Bro, because my tire popped on the side of the road, and y'all detaining me.
Sounds good.
You just pulled me out of my car for no reason, bro.
Sounds good.
It does. I pulled over and asked y'all for help, bro. But he just pulled me out of my car, bro. And when I say you going to jail, and you getting your ass sued, bro, you getting your ass sued, bro. My purse is empty, bro. You want to check it? Here, it's right here. Right here. Pull it up right here. No, check it. It's right there. Check it. It ain't no drugs in there, because I'm legal.
Do not get in his face. You understand?
So why is he in my face? Since you want to pull me out my car and drag me out my car for no reason, bro, check that shit. Why do you just drag me out my car and I'm innocent, bro? And I just got a flat tire, bro. So why is he in my face?
You're the one yelling.
So why did he just drag me out my car, bro? Are you serious, bro? Are you dead ass serious, bro? This shit on camera, bro.
Everything's being recorded.
Yeah, it is. If y'all want to pull me over to the side,
it's not a flat tire. Your car won't start.
Bro, it wasn't a flat. So there's nothing in my pockets, bro. So y'all going to jail, bro. There's nothing in my pockets, bro, because we asking for help on a flat tire.
Yeah,
y'all have my car. Look at my car, bro. It's not a flat tire. Look at my car, bro. It's not a flat tire. I didn't do nothing wrong to you. What am I? Do I got a license? Yeah. Do I got insurance? Yeah. What are y'all pulling me over for? Y'all act like I'm resisting, bro. That's what's funny, bro. And this is all on camera, bro.
It's all on camera.
I'm gonna sue y'all, bro.
Cool. I'll see you in court.
Yeah, what are y'all pulling me over for? Hang on, hear me? I got license. I got insurance.
Relax.
So what are y'all pulling me over for? Y'all didn't know this sobriety test on me? Y'all didn't know this sobriety test on me? Why are you dead here? I swear to God, I'ma sue you. I'ma sue you. I'm serious, bro. I'ma sue the y'all, bro. I'ma sue the y'all, bro. I'm
Your pocket's
man, I bet you get that shit off. I bet you get that shit off. I'ma sue you if you got into a job. I was in here for asking for a flat tire. You going to jail, bro, and you losing your job, bro. And this, are you dead ass serious? You gonna throw me on the ground for this shit, bro? For help, bro? Yeah, y'all going to jail, bro. Y'all going to jail, bro. I'm not gonna go. Y'all going to jail, bro. You gonna smash me on the ground? Losing your job, losing your job. You wanna smash my head on the ground? Yeah, all right. These cameras got that. Cause you going to jail and you lose your.
The bizarre encounter descended into a chaotic struggle when the driver attempted to bite an officer, threw a physical tantrum, and warned police that her father was the city mayor.
Drunk chick. I pulled a truck over for his lights off. There's a guy going to work. License, everything's good, right? This guy behind me stops, and I'm like, okay, that's suspicious. Yeah, right there. So I gave him a warning, sent him on his way. So I walked up to see what's going on. There's a bottle of Tito's open. So I'm like, So I'm like, okay, this is suspicious. So I'm like, how much have you had to drink? Just one drink? I said, like, the whole drink? She's like, no, just one drink. I come up here and she's just belligerent.
What she stopped behind you for?
Her car died. She's like, I can smell all the alcohol. I come out of gas. She's hammered, dude. All right, thank you, fellas. What are you looking for? Here.
Yeah, she like tried to bite me in the face.
Did she?
My face.
I picked it up when you dropped it.
The face is all wet now because she like got up in my.
Okay, so she's going for assault on a police officer then.
Yeah.
Well, at this point, I'm not going to uncuff her.
Yeah, we can do the blood work.
I'm going to ask her if she wants to do blood. If she don't want to do blood, if you're going to kick the car, you're going to go in a hobble.
What?
I'm not holding shit back from y'all. That's my car.
Okay.
She's lifted her handcuffs.
So, FBI under no assault. I called y'all for help.
Okay. All right. Well, it's going to go to Sandy's.
My shit. What do y'all want to do?
It's going to go to Sandy's. You're under arrest for OVI and assault.
No,
all right.
You actually didn't call anybody. I pulled up because you were behind me.
My tire popped and I called for help.
Oh. She tried to bite his face.
She like had her teeth on my face. So I pushed her down back into the car.
How do you want to people like this?
It'll just be an OVI ticket, and then
I pulled somebody else over for their lights. I gave him a warning. License was he just did.
we don't need PC for it because it wasn't a traffic stop. She pulled up behind you, so we don't need PC for a traffic stop. But we
didn't realize he didn't turn his lights on, right? And then this one pulls out behind me.
But we know that she was driving because she drove up right behind you.
What I'm saying is, so then she's not gonna get one for. Oh, she'll still get this.
She'll still get this for OVI.
And then a whole packet.
The whole package.
Why do y'all have authority to harass me and take pictures?
Face that way.
I will do that,
Face
but
that way.
don't push me.
I'm not. Face that way.
I will.
Face that way, please.
I
Give me your
have
hands.
been.
Give me your hands.
When I say
turn your whole body, please.
I will.
Okay.
But don't push me. Like y'all been doing all night. And I'm
face that way, body, please.
When I say when y'all go to jail and I'm gonna sue y'all, please don't. Because y'all had no right to arrest me. I'm authority and y'all didn't even do no sobriety test on me. I have insurance, I have license. Y'all didn't ask me for my nothing. Y'all didn't read my rights. Y'all didn't do nothing. So when I say y'all losing all y'all jobs, bro, I'm not resisting. There's no one doing. I'm giving them straight to you, baby. I swear to God. But when did y'all read me my rights? Did y'all read me my rights?
Turn around for me,
Did y'all read me my rights?
Turn around for me,
Y'all
please.
did not read me my rights. Nah.
Face that way, please.
You have not read me my rights before you arrested me. And that's all I wanted to make sure. That's all I wanted to make sure. So I'm gonna sue you. You're gonna lose your job, just like all y'all. You have not read me my rights before you arrest me. I have my license, I have my insurance, I have all that. So lock this up, put me in jail, whatever you want to do. I got bail money, I got bond money, I got all that. Because I have my license, I have my insurance, so you're going to jail and you're losing your license, you and him, because you did not read me my rights before you arrested. But you did not read me my rights. You did not pull me out of that car with no jurisdiction, none of that. Nothing. Did y'all get that on camera? Did y'all get that on camera?
Everything's recorded. I'm gonna read your rights, okay?
Yeah, I hope you will.
You need to listen now.
Put me in the car. I don't mean
I am a police officer.
You put me in the
understand?
car.
Do you understand?
Already after you put me in the car.
You have the right to remain silent.
That don't mean nothing.
You do not have to make any statements or say any questions.
You're reading my rights.
You have the right to speak with a lawyer for advice before you ask any questions.
You're going
You have the right to have a lawyer
to jail.
Yes, you do.
I'm in the car already.
Anything you say, Kenny, will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand? Are you listening?
No, I'm not.
If you
You're reading me my rights after I'm already locked up in the
If you cannot
car.
afford a lawyer will be appointed.
You're illegally arrested.
If you cannot afford a lawyer appointed by the court of law or a lawyer public defender's office will be provided to you before and during questioning without any cost time. You also have the right to stop at any.
You. And I'm going to take your job. You pulled me over and put me
If you decide to answer any questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop answering at any time. Do you understand?
Before you read me my rights.
Now that you understand your rights, are you willing to answer any questions?
Before you read me my rights. What do you not understand?
So we're gonna read you the BMV.
What do you not understand? I have my
55.
rights. I have insurance. You put me in
we're gonna
this
read you
car.
this form.
It smashed my head.
Informs
It's
you
with a mother.
We're gonna tell you.
You have cameras, right?
You are now under arrest. Hey, you can scream all you want, but I'm still going to read you this, okay? For operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, a drug, or a combination of them. If you take a chemical test, you may have independent chemical tests on you. Now that I've read you right.
No, I'm not passing to none of that.
Are you refusing?
He said no, it's a refusal.
You're refusing? Okay. No, we're past that. We're past that.
What do you mean? I will do sobriety test, I will do blood test, all that.
Will you consent to blood?
Yes, I will.
You want to give us blood? Okay.
Y'all dead ass serious, bro? Are y'all dead ass serious, bro? My headlight went out for 2 seconds because my headlight was blue. And
She's gonna give you nothing but trouble, dude.
Just
I gotta
refusal?
wait for the.
Refusal. She's gonna give you nothing but trouble.
and I asked for help. I even put my signals on and asked for help. And y'all pulled me over like I was a geek, like I was trying to hurt y'all. I literally asked for help. I literally pulled over and put my blinkers on to ask for help. Is this weird as bro? You weird, bro. Acting like this your job, bro. It's not your job, bro. They paying you to bro. That's what they paying you to do, like you're doing right now. Over your people, bro. I have nothing on my record, bro. No headlight went out and I pulled over and asked for help, and y'all just smashed my head into the concrete when I asked for help. Are y'all dead ass serious, bro? You just watched me get my face smashed into the ground when I had a headlight missing, bro. A headlight. What I want you to do is sleep at night, at the end of the night. Assaulting, not even arresting, assaulting. Women. Hello? I just beat my ass for running out of gas. Y'all just beat the out of me for running out of gas. You get me involved in your car chases and losing my life. Take me downtown or get rid of me, period. Y'all never asked me for no insurance. Y'all never did none of that. So take me downtown and arrest me. Chase my and my life is at risk. Take me downtown. Do it the legal way because y'all never asked me for my motherfucking license. You want to lose your job, you dumbass. You didn't ask me for nothing. You didn't ask me for no license. You didn't ask me for no insurance. You just literally put your hands on me and drag me in your car, bro. I hope your daughter get beat up by a man. I hope your son ignorance. Do you not know because you a sucker and you following their orders? You don't even know why I'm arrested. You don't even know why I'm arrested because you a sucker and you following their orders with your weird ass self, bro.
Following the arrest on December 19th, the woman was transported to the county jail for formal booking and alcohol testing. Her early morning decision to pull over directly behind an active police stop after running out of gas quickly unraveled into a major criminal incident when responding officers noted an open bottle of liquor in her car and detected the heavy odor of alcohol. In court, the prosecution relied heavily on the body camera footage to refute her repeated threats of lawsuits and claims of municipal immunity due to her alleged mayoral parentage. The video clearly captured her initial refusal to step out of the car, her aggressive physical resistance as officers extracted her, and her clear attempt to bite an officer during the struggle. The judge showed little leniency for her entitled claims of being above the law, noting that her actions posed a direct threat to law enforcement and public safety. She was ultimately prosecuted for assault on a police officer, operating a vehicle under the influence, OVI, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and obstructing official business, resulting in court fines, mandatory alcohol remediation programs, and probation. Subscribe to Bodycam Real Files for more raw footage and the legal outcomes of high-stakes police encounters.